Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another group of entries. This first one is from Marian Hollinger, and you guys, look at this like fun. You'll see what it is in a second. So let's go over her embellishments. These are giant. This is the biggest pack of embellishments I've ever gotten. Look how cute. Okay, so she's decorated it with a little doily up here, the little cut apart flag fishtail style banners, says love, this little butterfly layered multiple times. And she's got this little flower. Ooh, look at this fun tool right here. And then look at this. So they're envelopes, technically mini envelopes, but they're super cute. Oh, that little X fell off right here, but I can always put that back on. So it says XOXO. She's got the little crepe paper going down the bottom, down the center with the little trim from Hobby Lobby with the little butterfly. She's got the little cut apart piece inside of there. Cute little bow, and then she's turned this into a tag, so the tool is hanging out right here, the tag that's in there. Oh, you see that? Okay, and then this one right here, she's got the little tool at the top of this one as well, little rosette style in the envelope embellishment. Then she's layered multiple times, crepe paper tool, back and forth, little wood veneer butterfly. And then this one down here, she's got the little, she's like decorated the inside with some flowers that she fussy cut, little bow, the flowers all at the top. It says you go girl. It's got that flower trim in the background, and she even made this entire envelope right here a little shaker with some tulle, and then this part's an actual shaker as well. Super cute, Marianne. And then she made this little like book style, so I'll show you right now. So it opens up like this. She's got little Velcro, little shaker with the llama right there. Look, it's die cuts, almost like a little, I don't know, CD case of die cuts pretty much. Well, that's what I'll call it. Okay, so she's got a bunch of flowers in here, like flower style ones in this one right here. Looks like just a couple of different pattern papers. Thank you, girly. And then this one, oh my gosh, she's got all sorts of doilies in there. This really pretty glitter one right here. Got the white, some pattern paper, different styles, baby pink. I'm just trying to see how you made this. It's like you folded it up somehow and push that out. Okay, but anyway, I'm all trying to dissect it. The next little pocket right here, she's got the little frame style one with the little boy and a girl, and the mom and the dad with a little boy and maybe a girl, a little boy. Then she's got some words cut out right here. I think it says hello, thank you, super cute. Let's see this next one. Oh, we got some fun shapes in here. So she's got stars, little conversation bubble, and these are like crepe paper rosettes, but she die cut the shapes out of it. She's got a flower, a star, and a circle. Very nice. Okay, and then next, ooh, okay, so we've got some like, she's got little flowers in here, heart-shaped ones with some circles, little label style one, looks like a snowflake, little tags, ooh, all sorts of tags, little tags, mason jar. Oh, look at the bow, how cute is that bow? I love that bow, and it came in 2 different sizes. Thank you, girly. Oh, the key. And let's see, next. She's got some scalloped circles in here in different sizes. Cut them out, and then the back ones are regular circles in 2 different sizes as well. All set on the circles and scallop circles, and then she sent some embellishments. These are, it almost looks like those, do you guys remember that? What are the Chinese fingers? I think it's called the Chinese dragonfly something. I don't know. You stick your finger in it and then you try to pull it out and you can't get your fingers out. That's what that reminds me of. And she made some paper flowers and some yellow, and then this one right here. I think that is it. Let's check. Thank you so much for playing, Marianne. That's a fun little way to send die cuts on there. Martha, she is Martha's Creations on YouTube and on Instagram. Hey girlie, this is her entry. Look at this. Okay, so she used that little that die, that popular die, I could never think of the name. She folded it, made a little like gusset kinda, and then put these cute little felt flowers in there. Did you make those flowers or did you buy them like that? So that's gonna take a lot of time. And look at, so you just untie it and they'll be right there. A little window with acetate. Love, love, love. Thank you, girly. Look at this, you guys. Carousel, my favorite collection. And she's made these little tiny Ferris wheels, you guys. She's got the little bow, each of the little carts on there in gold. She's got gems all up on there. So there's little shaker bits popping, floating around at the bottom. And then the top, Maggie Holmes with, she used her washi tape for like the bag topper. Some ephemera pieces. Love this striped bow. Super cute. Love it, girly. See her little Martha's Creations. And then a little bag of goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this looks fun. So look at this like ring that she decorated with trim. She's got a little like cluster of flowers at the top. Look at this little dangling charm made all out of felt. The flower, the bow, and the puff ball. So cute. Comes up on this little clip. And you guys, I think these might be die cuts. This is so cute, like a little baby tag flip of die cuts. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, I am. Look how cute. So she did make a little tiny tag flip. Yes, girl. Gold and white feathers. And these are perfect for layering. Love, love, love. Look how sparkly those are. And then let's see in this one, and I can reuse these little envelopes. Ooh, I love like I don't know what it's called, like a sloppy circle. I don't know what they are, but I'm obsessed with them and I like using them on little embellishments. And she cut out so many ovals, sloppy hearts, and then these cute little like doily style looking ones. And I love this. What gold paper did you use? I like that. Okay, and then next, ooh, look at this, you guys. Again, another one of my faves, leaves. Leaves are so easy and good to use to like layer behind things, even if it's not, you're not working with florals. So cute, Martha. Thank you. And then last but not least, ooh, yes, look at these. Ooh, look at these little like, this is what I'm talking about. You just stick it behind something and it would just pop out, peek out, that cute little tip of glitter white, pink, or gold. And then she made these cute little doily style ones in white, pink, and gold. So cute. Thank you so much, Martha, for playing. The next one is from Shelly Scott. She is Triple S Crafts on YouTube and on Instagram. I will link her information down below so you guys can see it. And this is what she made. She made these cute little award style, oops, falling over, cute little award style paper rosettes with the little fishtail banners at the bottom. So this one says, she believed she could, so she did, and it's a little shaker. Love that paper. And then this one says Girl Boss, and again, she's got little shaker bits in there on the bottom of the bag as well. And I love this floral paper from Hobby Lobby. So cute. Yes, thank you. And then this, she's got a little purple bow, some flowers in different colors. Look at this little bow. Oh, unicorn. Love the butterfly. Oh my gosh, Bambi. Looks like Bambi. Cute little bow, and she's like stickled it up, unless that's the paper. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little like tea for two bench, and then a cute little macaroon. How cute is that? Thank you, girly, for playing. This next one is from Crystal. She's June Chris here on YouTube and JR's Wifey on Instagram. And this is her entry. She went all extra with the tulle. Cute little pom-pom. Did you make this? I wonder. How did you switch colors, if so? Okay, and now I get to see it in person. And look at this, you guys. So she's made this like embellishment style book. Oh, look at this. And it's like sturdy. Look at this. She's Maggie Holmes everything. Look at this little chip. You see how like dimensional everything is? The chipboard, the cut aparts. I even see some stitching back there. Puffed up. I love this little die cut right here in the gold. Plant kindness, grow love. Oh, this is beautiful. And then she's got the little trim. Even the back is stitched, all the pages that she's layered multiple times. Look at this, guys. Let me just zoom in, show you real quick before I start ripping into it like a hyena. Look at that. Look at all the stitching, girl. Bling on there, doilies, enamel dots everywhere on every single one. It's like multiple layers of gold. So cute. Look at the, I love that bling. Little heart. Okay. You guys ready? Look at this. Look at her. So she did it in kind of like those pocket letter style plastic. Look how cute this little mason jar. That's a shaker, you guys. Mason. Why can't I say mason? Mason jar embellishment. The top's glitter. Look at that cute little bow. Little tiny flowers at the top. So cute, girly. Then she's got this little rosette style one. Not rosette. Scalloped. Why can't I talk? The stitched butterfly with the antennas still intact. So cute. I love this style of like embellishment. And then look at this one right here. It's like a little like coin style one with the scalloped. She's got multiple trims layered all up in there. I even see like die cuts clear in the back, the house, the bow. Cute is that? Smile. Everybody's been using these, and I think somebody gifted me some. But yeah. So cute. Like, am I allowed to re-gift this whole thing to somebody like I made it? I'm totally kidding. Okay, so look at this little coin style one. Look at, love this. Did you punch that one out like a ticket? Or did it come like that? And then she stitched it. Little bow. Again, the trim stitching. All in these cute little plastic bags, you guys. I can't wait to, like, try this once I get my craft room. Little ward style ribbon with that butterfly stitching again. Maggie Holmes trim. These are so pretty, girl. Yes. Another little mason jar with the shaker bits. I love those little flower shaped sequins. From the heart. You were only supposed to make 2. Look how many she made, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then over here, she got her die cuts. Let's see. These are little heart bag toppers, you guys. How gorgeous are these? And then the papers, it's got stitching and then the little like divots or whatever that's called. I don't know what that is. Love these. It's in all the good papers. Yes, yes, yes. This one. Ooh, love this one. Totally use that for like a tropical theme one. Okay, and then yes, I was just saying I love sloppy shaped die cuts. Okay, so I can't get these. Look, you guys, sloppy hearts and sloppy ovals. Ooh, that's really a sloppy one. I love that. Right there. Look how cute. Thank you, girly. She's got little what are these called? Like little tiny envelope, like an envelope pouch. See right there? All I gotta do is tape the bottom and the side. Cute little Maggie Holmes papers. Yes, bloom. Yes, girl. Look, you got extra fancy with these ones. Look, look, look. She stamped these, you guys. So these are even more extra. So she stamped, then embossed with gold, and then had a die cut or maybe fussy cut. I'm not sure. Look at this. These are so like Maggie Holmes. I love it. This one's all shimmered up. Like, I don't know what embossing powder did you use for that one. These are so pretty. Shimmer and shine. Look at these are so extra and cute. I love, love, love these. And the time it takes to do stuff like this. So I love it even more. Oh my gosh. Thank you, girly. Okay, let's see. And then last but not least, she's got a little pocket. Ooh. So look at these blings. And I totally use these as center. Gemstone flower brad. Look how fancy those are. All sorts of diamonds in the center. Thank you, girly, for sharing with me. And then look at these Jolie's. Again, I can use these as like centers of flowers. These are, I didn't even know Jolie's made stickers like this. Fancy, like, center-looking ones. Very nice. Super cute. Thank you, Crystal, for spoiling me. This next one is from Bambi Olson, and that is her name on YouTube. And this is what she made. So she's got the little scalloped edge bag topper with a little flower at the top. And then she's made, like, these little tiny, they're like, I don't know if that's strips or a die that made it, but it's a very dimensional flower, and then she's got a little button in the center. Then this one she's layered 3 times and curled all the leaves, made a little center, little rose style flower. Super cute, and these are super embellished, you guys. Probably about a 1/2 inch thick. And then this one, she's got her little bag topper with the doily and then the little flower center. These are her die cuts. These are her die cuts. She's got cute little butterflies in like a pastel pink and white paper. Then she's got these like little label style ones. And then she's got this, ooh, this like rainbow oval, what's the word? Rainbow oval scalloped one. Whoa, whoa. And then she's got these cute little gingham heart ones and these bigger scallop size ones. Super cute. Thank you so much for playing, Bambi. Okay, that'll be it for this round of girls. All right, bye guys.